Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the camera moving around with you when you're doing a dancing challenge by using CapCut Mobile. So first, you can just add your dancing video like this into CapCut. Then click on the video and find the camera tracking menu in the bottom. This one, click on that, and here you can do some AI movement, or you can just do the camera tracking. So I'm going to just use the camera tracking, and here just select the subject to track. So I'm going to track the face, and after that just click on track, and CapCut will do its magic by tracking the subject that you choose. Just wait until it's done. So now the camera tracking is completed, and here you can adjust the tracking. Here you can adjust the rotate. I'm going to lower it to 30, and here I'm going to uh, use the fit canvas so that the video will always be full on the screen. After that, just click on the check icon. So this will be the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye!